Good day, everybody. How are you doing today? I hope you are all doing good today. This day, you are going to be with me as we learn another set of new math concepts. Could that be okay? Very good. You are listening and watching to Math with Teacher Riva. This is Math with Teacher Riva, and you will spend the rest of the video with me. Okay. Just like with the previous videos, let's begin with a recap or a review on what we have learned last time. Last video, we talked about volume measurement. We talked about volume measurement. V O L U M E volume. How do we measure volume? We learned about measuring volume of dry goods, measuring volume of liquid goods, and measuring volume in liters and milliliters. Again, measuring volume in liters and milliliters. What are dry goods? What are liquid goods? And how and when you're going to use liters and milliliters. Let's look again. What are the examples of dry goods? Again, can you repeat after me? Everybody, say dry goods. Dry goods. Alright, very good. Dry goods are goods that we can barely use our hands to touch with. Let's have this one. What is this? Rice. Very good. A rice is an example of a dry good. An uncooked rice is an example of a dry good. We also have starch or flour. A flour is an example of a dry good. Salt. Sugar. Alright, what are examples of dry goods? We have uncooked rice, flour, salt, sugar. There are still a lot of dry goods out there. Can you name one? Okay, next time. Now let's move on to the liquid goods. We can touch liquid goods. However, we cannot completely touch it, same as how we touch dry goods. Example, we have oil. automotive lubricant or petrol. Petrol. Vinegar. Vinegar. Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Water. Water. Let's name the examples of liquid goods together. Oil, petrol, vinegar, soy sauce, water. Okay, very good. In order to measure the volume of dry and liquid goods, we need different measuring tools. Can you remember what are those tools? We have bucket. Very good. Get one more time. Bucket. We also have liter measure. Liter measure. What is this? How about this? Good job. We also have another measuring tool. We call this one measuring cup or plainly cup. Measuring cup. Another one, this white colored tool, it's called teaspoon or measuring spoons. Again, measuring cup, measuring spoons. Very good. Now let's move on to another tools. We also have a measuring cup or a measuring jug for liquid goods, just like this one. Measuring cup or a measuring jug. Another one is a measuring cylinder or a graduated cylinder. Graduated cylinder. Okay. Those are examples of measuring tools that we can use to measure the volume of dry goods and liquid goods. When we use this, commonly these are used for goods that we can or we need to use when we cook. But this one, another tool, is used for cars. Okay, this is an oil measure with spout. Commonly, the goods that we put in here are automotive lubricants or gasoline. What is this? An oil measure with spout. To measure dry goods, you need to sweep the excess off the top of each measuring tool, just like on the GIF. And when we measure liquid goods, you have to pour, fill the object to the correct measure. Again, fill the object to the correct volume. You need to measure liquid goods and dry goods differently because they are made up of different substances. Measure volume with liters or L, milliliters or ml. Remember, that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So, that means 2 liters is equal to 2 times 1,000 milliliters. So, supposing this orange juice measures 2 liters, then most probably 2 liters bottle of orange juice is equal to 2,000 milliliters. Again, 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Those are the things we have learned on the previous video, right? Yes, very good. Now let's move on to the same topic but new learning. For today's video, we are going to talk more about volume. If we have volume, we also have capacity. Repeat after me. Everybody say capacity. Alright, capacity is different, is not the same with volume because capacity is the amount of liquid that fills the container, or how much liquid can the container hold. Okay, again, everybody say capacity. Okay, very good. Let's spell capacity first. Repeat after me. C A P A C I T Y. How do we read this one? Okay, very good. Capacity. Now look at the pictures below. We have here a glass, a bottle, and a jug. Again, we have here a glass, a bottle, and a jug. The glass, the bottle, and the jug is arranged in such way that we can see the containers from small going to big. Small container to big container, right? That means we are starting from least capacity, or the smallest capacity container, going to the most capacity. The glass is the least capacity, while the jug should probably be the most capacity. Small amount of liquid can be put inside this container, while a large amount of liquid, big amount of liquid, can be placed inside this container. That is what you mean by capacity. How much liquid you can put inside a container. How much can it hold and how much can it sustain? What is this? It's the concept of capacity. Okay. We have here some examples on how you say and interpret capacity. So we have here what is this again? Alright, very good. It's a bucket or a pail. If we talk about capacity, we can say this one. Listen first and you repeat after me, okay? The pail is estimated to hold 5 liters of water. Again, I'll repeat. The pail is estimated to hold 5 liters of water, which means this pail can hold at least 5 liters of water or even more. Okay? That is one way to say the capacity measurement of a tool. Okay, next. We also have this one. A glass. What is this? This is a glass. This glass, what could be the glass's capacity? It could be that the glass is estimated to hold at least 50 milliliters or 50 ml of water. It is estimated that the glass or this glass could hold 50 milliliters of water. Can you repeat after me? The glass is estimated to hold 50 milliliters of water. Your turn to read. Okay, that means only 50 ml of water can this glass hold. If beyond 50, it cannot hold anymore. You need a bigger container for it. This is for the glass. Okay, let's have another example. What if this water bottle? Water bottle. How do we say the water bottle's capacity? It could be the capacity of the drinking water bottle is 1 liter. Okay? I'll repeat. The capacity of the drinking water bottle is 1 liter. That means only 1 liter of water can be placed inside this container. Beyond 1 liter cannot be, so you need to find another bigger container for it. Lesser amount could still be possible, but beyond 1 liter, it cannot be. That is how you tell the capacity of a container. Alright. Now, let's try to compare volumes and capacities. Comparing volumes and capacities. When we talk about comparing, it involves 3 common symbols. Just like this one. Who can remember what symbol is this? Okay, very good. This is the symbol of a greater than. Greater than. Greater than means you are facing, we are referring to bigger amount or large amounts. If we have greater than, we also have this one. The mouth facing to your left. What symbol is it called? Good job. It's called less than. Great job. Less than refers to smaller amounts or fewer amounts. And lastly, we have, what is this? Good job. You have equal to. The same. Equal to means the same. So, as we go along the examples, we are not going to use the symbols. We are going to use the words so that you will be practiced. So you will be saying greater than, less than, and equal to. Alright? Okay, very good. Now let's start comparing volumes and capacities of goods and containers. For instance, we have this box of orange juice from Nippy. The Nippy's juice is 250 ml. As you can see over here, can you see it? The orange juice is 250 milliliters or ml. And we also have an apple juice, rather mango juice, and it's 500 ml. If we compare a 250 ml orange juice and a 500 ml juice, which one is bigger? Is it orange juice or the mango juice? Which is big? It's the mango juice. So we can say the volume of Nippy's juice is less than, because orange juice is small, right? Is less than the mango juice. Again, I'll repeat. The volume of Nippy's juice is less than the mango juice, because 250 is smaller than 500. That is why we use less than. Understood? Okay. Next, for instance, we all have here again Nippy's Ice chocolate drink and Selecta's chocolate drink. Nippy's Ice chocolate is 330 ml, while the Selecta's chocolate drink is 175 ml. Now, what or how do you compare its volume and capacity? You are going to say the volume of Nippy's Ice chocolate is greater than the Selecta's chocolate drink, because 330 is greater than 175. Again, let's read together. The volume of Nippy's Ice chocolate is greater than the Selecta's chocolate drink. Greater than means bigger. We compare first this one before this one. Let's have another one. An energy drink which has 100 milliliters in it and Cola, 100 ml. Energy drink is 100, cola is 100. Therefore, the measurement would be the volume of the energy drink is equal to the volume of the cola drink. It's the same and it's equal because this is 100 ml and this is also 100 ml. Okay? Let's have 1 sack of rice. Let's talk about capacity this time. Again, capacity is how much a container can hold. So let's have a sack of rice. 1 sack of rice. This is probably 5 kilograms of rice. Let's have a 1 sack of rice and let's choose between the 2 container that I have here. I have a barrel, a big barrel, and a cup. A barrel and a cup. I want you to choose which container has bigger capacity to hold the 1 sack of rice. Is it the barrel or is it the cup? Alright, because the barrel is big, this is where we can put the 1 sack of rice. Cup is too small for a 1 sack of rice, so it's not correct or it's not appropriate to use for this good. Remember, the bigger the good, the bigger is its container. Okay, another one. What if you have this 1 liter of water? 1 liter of water, what are you going to use? Will you use a bucket or will you use a glass? Again, it's 2 liters of water. Would we use a bucket or a glass? Of course, we need to use is it the glass? No, it's not the glass because the glass is small. So we use the bucket. Bucket is more appropriate to use to put in the 2 liters of water. Glass could be, but not the entire 2 liters of water. The most appropriate would be this bucket. Okay, so far so good. Next, let's have the last example. For instance, I have 1 sachet of fish sauce. 1 sachet of fish sauce. This one contains a small amount only because it's in a sachet. What is appropriate to use? Is it 1 can or this 1 tea or tablespoon? Is it 1 can or 1 tablespoon? What is more appropriate to use for a 1 sachet of fish sauce? 1 can or 1 tablespoon? Okay, because it has small amount, we use this 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. The can is just too big for this 1 sachet of fish sauce. Right? Remember again, the bigger the good, the bigger is its container capacity. The smaller the good, the smaller has to be its container capacity. Okay, let's do it. Let's mention or say again the important vocabulary words for this unit or topic. First, let's say together, volume. One more time, please. Volume. Very good. Next, say capacity. Capacity. Okay, good job. Next, we have dry goods. Dry goods. Well done. Last one, let's have liquid goods. Liquid goods. One more time. Volume, capacity, dry goods, liquid goods. There you have it. We completed the topics on volume and capacity, including how to measure dry goods, how to measure liquid goods, units for measuring volume and capacity, and comparing volumes and capacities. That would be all for today. Thank you all for listening. I hope you have learned something from today's video. Goodbye everyone, and keep safe always. Thank you. Goodbye.